Question 29. A bag contains 7 blue lollies and 9 yellow lollies. One lolly is selected at random and eaten. A second lolly is then selected from the remaining lollies in the bag. Find the probability that the 2 lollies selected are the same color. The question states that one lolly is selected at random and eaten. So this implies selection without replacement. Initially, there are 16 lollies in the bag. 7 blue lollies plus 9 yellow lollies. So the first selection is a probability out of 16. In the second selection, there is one less lolly in the bag because it's been eaten, so it's going to be out of 15. Now we want the probability that the 2 lollies selected are the same color. So we can either have a blue lolly followed by a blue lolly or a yellow lolly followed by another yellow lolly. So let's consider the probability of a blue lolly followed by a blue lolly. So initially there are 7 blue lollies out of 16. So in the first draw, the probability of a blue lolly is 7 over 16. So one blue lolly has been taken out of the bag. So there are 6 blue lollies left out of a total of 15. So in the second draw, the probability of choosing a blue lolly is 6 over 15. So the probability of selecting 2 blue lollies is found by multiplying these two probabilities. So 7 over 16 times 6 over 15 is 7 over 40. Let's consider the case where we draw a yellow lolly followed by another yellow lolly. And that'll be 9 over 16 times 8 over 15, based on the same logic as choosing a blue lolly followed by another blue lolly, except we have 9 yellow lollies to begin with. We eat one, we now have 8 yellow lollies, and instead of being out of 16, it is now out of 15 in the second draw. Multiplying these two probabilities together, so 9 over 16 times 8 over 15, gives us the probability of choosing 2 yellow lollies, and that's 3 over 10. So to find the probability of choosing 2 lollies of the same color, we add these two probabilities together. 7 over 40 plus 3 over 10, and that gives us 19 over 40, or 47.5%.